Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to use the preview app on any iPhone. Now to do that, first of all, just open the preview app. Now from here, you will find a few options. Now if you tap on new document, then tap on new empty image, you will create a new document. Now from here, you can draw and write on this page. Now to save the document, just go back. Now after you do that, you will save the document in the recent files section. After that, you have the option of scan document, and from here you will be able to scan any document using the preview app. You have the option of auto shutter, and by enabling auto shutter, the preview app will automatically scan the document as you place it in the camera frame. After that, you have a few filters like grayscale, black and white, and photo. And finally, you have the option of flash, and from here you will be able to scan any document. And if you turn off the auto shutter option, you will have to scan the document by pressing the shutter button over here. But if you enable auto shutter, your iPhone will automatically scan the document. Then tap on done to save. Now if you go back, the scanned document will be saved in the recent section. And in the recent section, you will find all your recent documents. Now if you tap on shared, you will find all the files which you have shared. And if you tap on browse, you will find all the documents which you have created. You can also find your documents in the Files app. Just open the Files app, and as you can see, these are the documents which we have created. And this is how you can use the Preview app on any iPhone. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.